For today, we are going to create an automatic table of contents. First, go to Microsoft Office Word and click the black document. After this, make sure that you already have a sample content that you are going to create a table of content. Make sure that each chapter or topic is in heading mode. So in this one, we are going to create heading 1 since chapter 1 is our main text. Then we have here the sub topic under chapter 1 is introduction. Make sure that you choose heading 2. Significance of study, heading 2, and so on and so forth. Next, you click the area that you want to create a table of contents. After which, click the References tab. Then, click Table of Contents. Then choose a built-in list. So in here, we are going to choose Automatic Table 1. There you have it. As you can see, there's already the title and the page number itself. If you want to edit, you can edit so. Next, if you are going to update the content of table of contents itself, for example, we are going to add another sub-content under chapter 3, which is result and findings. Make sure to go to Home tab and it is marked as heading 2. Let us see or update the content of it by clicking the update table of content, then click update entire table, click OK. So there is the additional content of chapter 3. Now, how are we going to delete or remove the table of contents? First, you choose the table of contents and then go again to References tab and click Table of Contents. Click Remove Table of Contents. So, that's it.